gotta change the tire out. Now, see if this tire can handle that.
Perfect.
Oh. I'm gonna, huh? Yeah, it go like 47 miles an hour. And traction steering is really not what it is.
Perfect.
Yo, this thing is a beast. I don't think I could pull off a backflip, but I can try.
Perfect.
No, I can't pull off a backflip. This thing is a monster.
Perfect.
He lands every time though. Whoa. This ramp handled the jumps pretty good. You would have thought not too much on it. Not too much. See the damage on there? I'm looking for cracks and stuff. Seems to be holding up fine, and I'll full throttle that. So it can handle it. But look at what we got here. Looky what we got here. I don't know how much I can hit that though, but yo. I am killing it with the X-Maxx today. Yeah, X-Maxx, man. This thing is beasting out today. I guarantee I break something. Want to put money on it? Of course I missed and this is all factory accept. I mean, it's not factory. I got the Maxx, what is the Maxx 6 in here? Maxx 5, 6, the 8S system. Can't remember which one it is, but I think it's the Maxx 6, Maxx 5, Maxx 6, I don't know. Oh. So. Yeah, I'm running the Maxx. pure monster. Let's see if I can get a nice proper launch. Let me see, can I launch off the branch right here? Oh, it's broke down. Yeah, the X-Maxx is still good. Now, as for durability fun factor, X-Maxx is, man, is the truth right there. It's like the durability is on a different level than most. Level. There's enough power for me personally with the X-Maxx, because I worry about the gears and stuff. Yo, this thing is a beast. Yeah, I gotta do some recording with my phone now. My GoPro wanna get wonky on me. I had some awesome footage, even more awesome than what I'm doing, but clocked out on me.
Perfect.
I got a wider lens on my GoPro than this. I hope this is doing justice, because I see myself missing a few shots, but it is what it is. Yeah, man. The X-Maxx is a must-have in your collection. It's definitely a must-have. Yeah, I gotta be careful on that tire. That white tire is an old, very old tire. Surprised it's holding out.
Perfect.
Oh, where's she going? There I go dropping the phone, man. Now I'm recording. Now I gotta keep messing up. Oh, why you going all the way over there? Yeah, this is an epic car right here, man. Whoa, completely. Only thing with the X-Maxx, make sure you don't land on power. That's when you had problems with the gears. That's why I'm trying to let it like flow in the air. Yeah. Wow, you got to be better than that. It definitely wouldn't have survived that. Today, let's make it epic.
Perfect.
Yeah, I did land on power that time. I did land on power that time.
I ain't done yet. Perfect.
Whoa. Yeah, I'm definitely not gonna keep it straight on that. Gotta stop landing on power. Yeah, that's it. I'm done now. Yo, this car was epic. This was an epic bash right here. This was an awesome bash. The ramp can take it, but I can't launch it so high. Car is awesome. The ramp is great. I could use maybe a little more up in the ramp so I can launch higher. But other than that, the ramp is awesome. But I tried it on an 8S. You see how it hold out on an 8S car. The X-Maxx is light. The real challenge is going to be the DBXL and the Outcast 8S and my Crichton. Those are heavy rigs right there. But it seemed to hold out, you know, with the X-Maxx just perfectly. But as always, you know, thanks to my wife, she got me this ramp for my birthday. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Hit that like button, notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.